Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to remove pattern password on Oppo phone. Friends, you have guys your pattern lock, and guys you have guys any pin and any password on your lock screen. Friends, you don't want to use guys, you want to remove it. So how to remove pattern password, and guys you have any pattern and you have any password. So how to remove it today friends I am going to show you in this video. So friends, you don't want to use guys any pattern lock, any password, any pin lock on your lock screen. So friends, how to remove it? So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, scroll it friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, you can see your password and biometric. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see lock screen password, privacy password, add fingerprint, add face. Friends, you want to set face lock, fingerprint and privacy password, you can set from here. So friends, click on lock screen password. Friends, you can see draw pattern lock. So we will draw our phone pattern. Friends, you want to modify password, means guys you want to change your pattern password, you want to change guys your pin password. So friends, you can change, select and you can change. But guys we want to remove. So when we will click on turn off password, tap here. When draw your pattern, then guys your password will remove on your lock screen. Friends, you can see pattern password has removed. Then we will lock screen and then we will unlock. Hence you can see we can swipe and we can own our Oppo phone without any password and pin guys. So like that guys you can remove guys your pattern lock and guys any password guys you have. So same setting guys, click on turn off option, your pin will remove, your password will remove and guys your pattern will remove from your password and biometric guys. And once you want to use fence, you can see again guys you will have to wait for 5 seconds. Guys click on continue option and fence you can set your pattern password, pin password, name password you can set. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to remove password on lock screen on Oppo phone device. So bye guys.